What's up, guys? It's Bowser Jr. Allen. Yeah, today we're doing the main event of Extreme Rules. So, you all like Extreme Rules? People in my friends in school, I've been saying when it's Extreme Rules, but not really. My friends they all just joined like a few months ago and they recognise this channel, and now they know who I am. It's kind of annoying and it's uncomfortable, but whatever, don't matter because I'm gonna do this right. What? Oh no, man, it's just my dad and mum just came in, guys, so don't worry. If you go Bowser, we'll get kidnapped now. So now we'll do it. Yeah, me and Peter are actually becoming friends now because we're not fighting over that. So no, we got another go for I don't know if you see your channel to have 1K 25. I know, but anyway, but yeah, we know. Why do you put this in for 2 seconds? Honestly. Stop playing it. You'll get my videos copyright. You'll get copyright. We'll get copyright strike. Stop. Stop it. You'll get copyright strike. No, I don't want this either. I will get copyright strike. How many times? I'm gonna get fucking copyright strikes and we'll get freaking all just perfect. Now we'll get swearing strikes for this. And we'll get literally swearing strike because I just threw a curse word. Not my fault. Oh my. So stupid. Yeah, fuck can't anyone match on. There we go. One minute, guys. I'm setting the game. I'm setting this game up. 1 minute. Anyway, guys. So I just started that match. Not started. I meant the champion versus champion. From the song, I've been ball play PC title online. Pete, if you're watching this, please like the video and please subscribe as well.
Make way for the double champ.
I'm getting cheered.
Champion versus champion contest is an Extreme Rules match.
The usual boomer. People are kind of booing, but then next to
Winner here
the
enjoys
cheering.
rare company of double champions.
Oh my god. Oh, really? After this, I might have a rest.
A match with major implications. 2 titles on the line in this contest. $5 million. I'll tell you what I'd do, man. Challenge for 2 titles at the same time, man. Thanks for that insight, Corey. From the top, Double stomp.
What could
Kenny
you drop?
Ligament shoulders down. He's looking to get this match won in short order.
I mean, if I want to win the champion.
Working the midsection there.
What are you talking about? There's a show right there.
Hit me with that this time. Oh my gosh, what impact. In a match with no rules, what good even is a strategy? Yeah, it's good to throw strategy right out the window here. I'll never argue against the game plan, but part of the extreme rules environment means going with the flow and
Chris
adapting.
Daniel
Know where you want
episode
things to go.
when
But
Chris Daniel's
accept
like this,
that you'll have to
Xavier
adjust
was saying,
course.
do you really have to be lame
Back
with
into
all
the
this?
ring.
And he said, what, it's then I'm trying to win.
Holy, that was an awful landing. I don't care how much padding the floor seems to have, being thrown out of the ring like that is incredibly unforgiving to your body.
I got in trouble today in school, guys, for no reason. Yesterday, no, I got in trouble. What I was even a part of, and I still got in trouble. I felt like, it's just so stupid. I got involved in that argument.
As the leg trap, fisherman suplex.
It's just stupid. People these days are just so stupid, they pee you off.
What a takedown. Fujiwara armbar.
Oh.
Fujiwara armbar applied. Heads out of the ring.
Yeah,
What's
you
next?
little...
He'll head to the
No,
ring.
man, I'm about to say the pee off, but I've got that on YouTube, so I can't say. But Instagram, I could say it as much as I like, apparently.
What's he thinking here, Byron? On that
Oh, but back in on Bad Unit Allen videos, nah, I used to drop F-bomb and I used to drop some curse words. A lot of curse.
Planning on what to do next.
A lot of curse words. No, it's just how much I curse. Hey, ref, where do you think you're going?
Come over here. Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield. Oh, man. Remember, this is no disqualification.
I wish that I could go up more the stairs.
Is that even possible? Punching their way out of that one. Up and down, Lee, Alabama. We got a cover.
Ref, come on.
No, a 2 count. I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
Ref, what are you doing?
Face first into the chair.
Oh, wait.
Punch connects.
Oof,
Gut punch. Nasty.
I can acknowledge me.
He's dictating the pace of this match now, guys. Yeah, it seems like he can't be stopped.
Oh!
What a counter! Oh!
That's stupid.
Look at this. They emerged from the WWE Universe. This is crazy. And what's he looking for here? He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen. Taking his sweet time coming out of the crowd.
Shut up, guys. You got tables.
He's
Are
got
you
all the time in the
blind?
world. Into the ring now. Look at all the into the table. He
Let's
just
get-
isn't being given
let's
any
set
room
this
to
up.
recuperate. Yeah, he's got to surmount this storm coming at him. Oh, he retaliates. Oh, just turned that around. Knee right to the gut. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
You have to share the
Okay,
game.
he's
Not
re-entering
nothing,
the
guys.
ring.
I'm just going to think about something in my school.
There he goes, right into the corner. He's setting this table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night.
What?
He just keeps
What
dealing
the hell?
punishment with every move. The advantage is squarely in his corner. The power, the strength, and now just pressing. And a drop.
Oh, I forgot that.
Champ taking the worst end of the exchange.
No, it's the WWE 2K20 have a finisher like that. Not 2K20.
Things are getting risky.
2K.
This will not end well.
Guys, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do like a WWE 2K22 episode, because if I do that, it might be a little
Back
fun.
into the ring. Absolutely.
Let me know in the comments if you want me to do like a my ride. I'll do a my ride as well. I'm happy to do my ride. I'm happy to do my ride anytime you want me to. So if you want me to do my ride, I'll do my ride.
This could be dangerous, guys. Without a doubt. From the top. Makes the dive onto the ladder. Oh, that's a rough landing if I ever saw one.
Oh my god. Oh my.
And there's the cover. Strong kick out at 2. Champion. And you gotta think he's just one final blow away from not
You're
kicking out
kidding
next
me.
time.
Oh,
He's waving
there
the
you
He's
go.
around like a Hanson brother. He steps foot in the ring again.
What? You see my eyes, man? Bye. Awful.
Out of the
Can
ring.
this
What's his
table
plan
never
here?
fall? It's every time on this table. It's this
He's doing some
table.
dangerous redecorating. I think the table really ties it all together. Setting them up on the table. Looks like we want tables.
Well, you just got one. Oh! Oh! No!
It's the mark.
No, I thought I was going to lose.
He eludes the contact. Unpacks a well-placed punch. Caught with a punch. To the outside. This could get wild. And back in the ring we go. Tossed into the corner. Counters. This could be an opportunity. Wicked clothesline. Sent right out of the ring. From the top. Straight to the floor. I don't care how much matting you put on the floor, you are feeling the cement after that miss. Everyone get out of the way. He shoves him onto the announce table.
Yes!
We're gonna end this in
Yes!
spectacular
I'm
fashion.
going to win! Come on! Oh! We're pinned! Come on!
Carnage and scraps of table everywhere.
Oh!
Making the brutality
He
of
kicked
this
out!
match
The first person to ever kick out of, I don't know, I'm actually watching
this
that.
to be a difficult challenge.
I watched
Even
them.
so,
I watched
at this
them
stage,
movie.
things just get more and more dangerous. Fatigue starts setting in, and you don't know exactly have all your wits about you. They could quickly lead to error. Sharp elbows to the
Ouch,
body,
ouch.
looking to fight his way out.
Yeah.
And he slides him back to the mat.
I can't. Lucky.
He climbs into the ring. And up the turnbuckles we go.
I was.
Yes, he didn't come here to watch them both.
Why am I taunting?
Okay, consider that a harsh lesson. Byron,
Hey!
are you surprised, Byron? There's no disqualification.
Hey!
This is going to be an uphill battle for the superstar. Scoreboard online to put this one away. And that's it. The champion is defeated.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your NBC champions, Thunderstorm. An exciting match that concludes with a title
Guys,
in hand.
you see the first one right there? No, it isn't. Don't worry. There's more. 1 minute. What's up, guys? So, not what's up, guys. Hold on, the video I meant to say, guys. So, now we're doing John Cena versus, you know, who for the champion, and I've been called for already, so it makes sense. None of them are using resiliency, because that's cheating for starters. No, so as well. I don't have any entrances, it's fine, I've got entrances, it's fine. I think I might be causing. I don't know, just might. It's just me. Well, I was saying I'm trying to do Jason song when he goes, it's just me, us. Day one, it's just me, us. Hey, 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 hey.
The following contest is scheduled for and is for WWE Undisputed Universal Championship.
The time is
Simply,
now.
the greatest of all time, John Cena. The higher.
No, no, sorry, I meant to. We can't do it. Because again,
The title collector
making
is
sense.
here.
No.
Introducing the challenger from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, John Cena.
Yeah.
And his opponent from Manchester, England, weighing in at 221 pounds.
Okay, his attitude.
WWE Undisputed Universal Champion, Thunderstorm. A fully competent challenger in their corner, absolutely hell-bent on capturing the title.
They put my skin. They put my skin. Anyway, let's check if Thunderstorm is gonna.
After winning this title, the champion seems to be riding high. Any champion's riding high. Oh, you want to skunk around, bum that they're the best? That's not what I meant. Forget it. Ooh. Kick to the gut. Oh, brutal forearm. Ooh. He was waiting for him to make his move. Just caught flush. Look at this matchup here, Corey. What do you think John Cena needs to do to find a way to win?
I think Cena just needs to do what he does best. React to the moment. John has an unparalleled natural intuition when it comes to in-ring action. He can read an opponent and see where they're headed, which should help him find openings for big-time attacks.
Ooh, the champion's down. The champion's down.
Oh my God, we can have a new champion.
Shoulder up, and the
Yeah, I
referee
feel
ends
like
the count.
And those kickouts are only going to get harder.
Clothesline. What impact. Lands an elbow.
Oh! Look like Undertaker and the count because
Nice position here.
you have anyone like that.
Stunner! The champ getting put to the test here. Ooh, saw it coming and hit him with a shot to the face. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm. And did you hear the impact of that? Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them. This one's over. Tap out, furiously trying to fight his way out of the bear hug. Can he do it? Yes.
Look!
Cena with a shoulder tackle. And here comes Big Man's John. Throw a punch. Goodness, all that effort produces nothing. Oh! Just one step ahead.
Oh, why am I on my signature?
Oh, brutal forearm. He's going for it all. Up high. Crushing impact with a seated senton. 2. The champion still in the fight. He's looking to
I've been pinned 18 times this year as well, guys.
Oh, man.
Well, I am the unbeatable champion. Not what I am right now.
Tag mate, double team offense on the horizon here in this matchup.
What?
Setting their opponent off the rope. What are we going to see here? Oh, double tackle. Yeah, okay. I see it.
What?
And not done yet. Fisherman suplex. Push. The challenger is in some big trouble.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
If anyone can make a big comeback, you know it's John Cena. Ow! Into a powerbomb.
Oh!
He leaves the ring, but he could lose this match by countout. Lands the elbow. And now we're seeing firsthand how, love him or hate him, Cena thrives off the WWE Universe. Makes him pay with a counter. And he tosses it back in now. Oh, ouch. Vicious right forearm. Big blow could be felt throughout the arena. Been attempt for the championship. Oh, it's still no! Title still on the line. This is amazing. He breaks the ref's count after 1. Not quite enough to put him away. Cena telegraphed that with the lariat. Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
What?
Gentlemen, what a surprise.
We're all surprised, including the superstar inside the ring. He can't believe it.
Turn around!
For the victory. I think it's over. Oh, how did he get the shoulder up? Boom, what a punch.
Ah!
John Cena looking to end this.
Adjustment. The title's in jeopardy here. Wait, frustration.
Yeah, there's more.
And yes, more. This is absolutely ridiculous.
I'm surprised it took this long.
Cena.
Oh, come on, get him out there!
And we just saw some serious offense. These competitors have been going deep into their arsenal all match, but have not found a way to end it at all. Swings in momentum, every push has been cut off. This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication, nothing good's about to happen up there either.
Get out of here!
Sidewalks.
Run! Get out of here!
The C Nation is coming alive. Look at Cena being reactive.
Well, how did he disappear? He didn't disappear. How did he go out of here?
He's really been using his intuition to figure out when and where to go for the big attacks.
The ref still counting. Might be a count out.
I don't want to leave by count
No
and
way.
turn my title.
Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off. That was an absolutely haphazard, uncalculated risk. And I have no doubt they're going to pay dearly for it. Boom, right the button. Looking for a vertical suplex. Wait a second. Two. But champions need to finish the job. Cover. Got the shoulder.
What?
Put the pressure back on the champion. Can the champion respond with their back against the wall? And you can sense the desperation mounting as that last move couldn't finish things. Cena sizing him up. John Cena. Cena with an attitude adjustment. The champion-
No! Oh, can I go for another running now? Fuck's sake. And I get pinned once again.
Changing hands.
19 times this year.
Here is your winner, and new WWE Undisputed Universal Champion.
John Cena. 19 times, eh? No, 17 times. There you go, guys.
There you see our new champion.
And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you like the video, so you guys hit the video. Peace out, my own dog.